And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
I've got Lily's books para sa school niya na today. I've got her uniform and yung mga notebooks, mga basic needs niya sa school. So, tingnan natin yung reaction niya. If she sees this, kasi super excited siya. Look! Ta-da!
You paid for it?
Yeah.
Is that the books?
You get your books.
Uniform!
Yeah, you got your notebooks. There. And you got your uniform. Do you want to try your uniform?
Okay.
Are you excited or no? Yeah, we are now here in SM Aura. I am heading to National Bookstore para bumili ng mga kulang pa ni Lily sa school niya. I noticed a lot of you were worried na hindi magsa-school si Lily this year, but she is. Whatever happens, kailangan magsa-school siya. Hindi ako papayag na mag-miss niya yung school this year. So, ayun po. There is National Bookstore.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love.
Okay, so I am on this section. Let me see first if I can find. Do you have any specific character you like?
Character?
Yeah, look. You got pencil case with Elsa on it. And then lunchbox with Anna and Elsa. So any characters do you like? These are for boys. That's towels. What? Those are hats.
The caps are so cute,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. There is this one.
I think yes, I want Sanrio characters.
This is only like, oh, they're bags. Wait, let me see if I can find something. Oh, there. Do you like Sanrio? Look. It's a pencil case.
Yeah, Sanrio character.
Yeah?
That one, I like it.
This is, it has a zipper. It looks like that. Is that okay? Hello. I am home. Hindi ko na kayo na-update sa ganap na pamimili. Kasi hindi na ako sanay talaga mag-vlog. But we've got Lily, I think, hopefully, everything she needs. Yeah, we've got her new bag. Let's go and see her reaction this time. Yeah. Oh, I wish kasama ko siya para mamili. Kaya lang, sobrang bigaya. Kasi medyo bugnutin. And then, kung magbubuhat pa ako nito, and then I have to worry about both of them, I can't. I left them with their auntie. Wow! Oh, I love you. Are you excited? Are you excited? I'm excited for you to see your bag and your school stuff.
Yung mga dream bag natin noon ay gulong.
I missed you. I miss you. I love you too. Higpit naman ang yakap niyan. You're holding me tight. You never hold me tight this much. Huh? What is it? I think you really, really appreciate mommy's effort, huh?
And I miss you.
And you missed me so much. Sabi ko sa kanya, di ba may bag na kala mama? Antayin lang yung bag niya last year, sana yung gagamitin niya. Ang kulala ba naman ni grandma yun? We just take time. Sabi ko, we'll just get you a backpack. Yung nakita kong backpack doon, tig 1,699. Sige, paano? Mura-mura, di ba? Mahal siya, pero mura-mura na yun. So, malaki din yun. Kaya lang, iniisip ko nga, syempre, bubuhatin. Ako na lang magbubuhat. Pagting naman dun, ibibigay kay kuya. Diba? Kaya lang, nung nag-enroll, nakita ko nakapila doon, di pala yung mga gantong bag. Kasi, sila lalakad pababa. Yung mahira, paano nga naman yung, sa kanya, siya lang yung walang may gulong. Tumingin siya ng mga bag doon. Tapos, merong ganito din, pero hindi siya apat yung gulong, dalawa lang yung gulong. Yung pag ganun siya, sabi ko, pwede na.
Pag-gilid.
Oo, tapos parang may tayuan dito, pwede na. Eh, kaya nakita niya kasi to. Tapos sabi niya, oh my God, I love that Elsa. Ganun siya. Eh, tingnan ko magkano presyo lang, magkano, parang 4,599.
Kaya,
4,600. Gulat ka, no? 4,600. Sabi ko, okay lang ba? I'll get you this bag. Pero wala kang pencil case. Sabi niya, but mommy, paano? Kasi nga, iniisip niya, maliit lang yung table niya. Kung wala pa siyang pencil case, para niya ma-organize yung table. Sabi ko, bukas naman tayo bibili. Pag, hindi ko sino ko muna yung maghirap muna kay mama or something. Ganyan ako sa daddy niya, kasi nakahanap doon. Sabi ko gano'n, at least may bag ka na. Sabi niya, gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, oh sige, ito na lang yung bag na isa. Parang naka-sale pa yun, 2 plus lang. Pero may gulong din, kaya lang nga, gano'n siya. Sabi niya, okay, but I really, really like that Elsa. Sabi ko, ito naman, may lagay ng pencil sa harap. Yun nga lang, pag kukuha-kuha ka, gaganon-ganon ka. Kasi yung mga bag nila malayo, di ba? Tapos sabi ko, pero one day lang naman yun. Ganon-ganon. Tapos pang naiyak na siya, okay, kahit wala lang daw siyang pencil case. Kaya nagpunta na ako sa counter. Magbayad na ako.
It's a surprise.
Oo, so hindi niya alam. Masa-surprise siya.
I love it. Thank you, mommy.
You've seen it already. Oh, daddy's not here pa. We're gonna call daddy. Ayan. So first, I've got this. Do you know what this is? It's plastic cover for book.
How is it for a book?
Ayan.
How is this for a book?
So Lily never have seen or experienced anyone wrapping her book with plastic cover.
What?
You wrap your book with this so that it won't get wet.
Oh, when it's raining.
No, only on the outside. Okay. And then I've got you
Yeah,
the
this
4D marker. Sabi niya, Mommy, I don't think you should buy that. Sabi niya, Mommy, I don't think you should buy this one because I don't really need markers. Sabi ko, di ba pag sa atin, makakita ka ng ganito, mga gusto ko yun.
Makulay.
Barbie, colorful. Sabi, Mommy, I won't use it. So, don't buy it. Sabi niya gano'n. So, sa kanya, gusto niya lang talaga bilhin yung kailangan niya. But you know what I said? I said, you can use these markers to put names on your notebooks, on your books, on anything that you have to put your name, a permanent marker on. Don't open it yet.
not paper.
Not on paper. And then, I also got her...
Mommy,
Yeah.
this one looks like you.
Aw,
Really
thanks.
fair
She's beautiful.
and it's thick.
Yeah. And then, we've got her this one, which she really loves. She got ruler. Do you know how to use ruler?
Yeah, to measure.
To measure and to write a straight line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sharpener, pencil,
She got sharpener, pencil,
glue.
eraser.
Eraser. It
There.
shaped like glue and made me thought that it's glue.
Yeah.
Because of
You can
this bit.
twist it for it to come out, but don't twist all the way.
Oh yeah.
Only what you need.
Ooh, paint for art.
I've got you some poster paint.
Paint for art.
We've got some watercolors.
Yeah.
We've got writing pad for
Yeah.
grade
2.
2. I got you big girl
Scissors.
scissor.
Kitty scissors.
Be careful, huh?
Okay.
I've got you your pencils.
Good.
So you have to sharpen that. I got you this.
Glue stick pen. How do you use a glue?
So it's a glue stick, but it's pen, so it's easier for you to glue things. Because a glue stick, it doesn't have sharp edges, right? So when you go like this, sometimes it comes out. But I also got you glue stick, just in case you prefer it. And it's
Okay.
the purple one.
Oh yeah, disappearing purple. My classmates were like, Lily, can I try this and see how that really disappears?
Does it disappear?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I got
It's
you your...
purple, and then when it dries up, it disappears.
Yeah. And I got you
Crayons.
crayons. Another marker, probably mommy marker for naming some of your stuff. Tape for your covering your books. And dun 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 dun.
What's this?
Did you see in the school earlier? You said, "Oh, their ID is so big," and I said it's name tag.
Oh, this one is the name
So
tag?
you will write your name, Lily Haley McQueen, and then you can wear it. So even you're at the back, your teacher can see your name, Lily, because they don't know your name yet.
Yeah. They need to memorize.
Yeah.
If they will memorize my name, I don't need it anymore.
Yes, that's right. High five. It's good. Speaking of uniform, baka makalimutan ko pala ilabas. Nakakatawa, no? Oh, we have to call Daddy.
Oh yeah.
This one. So we got her this bag. That she really, really loves.
Yeah, when I saw it on the phone, I was like, oh, it's so cute. I want that.
Yeah. What does it come with?
Oh, it comes with the thingy,
The
the
lunch.
website.
And I said, when we buy this, we can't buy it.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
You can put your pencils here. This one. Would it make you sad that you don't have e-book here? Did it make you sad you don't have pencil case? Oh, you didn't cry?
No, I didn't kind of cry. Just, what I just feel is that sometimes I don't cry.
But were you sad?
Yeah.
Sorry. You got What's that? Lunch?
And around flag.
But look. I come.
How come? I don't need this.
Yeah, you do. It's fine.
Thank you, Daddy. One banana for AA.
High five.
I get some breadsticks.
Got it.
Aiden has some.
Alright, you're going to work. I'll leave you to it then. Ayan, school prep. Good evening, guys. It's now 10 p.m. And magpa-prepare na tayo ng bag ni Lily for school. So, I've got her notebooks and her books. Papangalanan natin yan. And then may code din silang kailangan. May code din ako na kailangan ilagay dyan. But before, we're gonna start sharpening her pencils. These are one of the things that I enjoy doing for her. Na bago siya pumasok sa school, ganyan, or every Monday, check ko yung mga pencils niya. At siya yung bata, na parang never ko pa na-experience. Yung marami kang lapis na nakatasan na, be.
Oo. Isa-isa lang kasi.
Oo, parang
Pagka
matandaan ko.
naubo, saka...
Oo. Si Lily, 3 pencil after 1 week, isa na lang. Tapos yung iba, ganyan na, oh.
Nawawala
Putol.
tayo, no?
Nawawala or napapalitan at alam mong hindi kanya yung kasi putol na ganyan tapos nakatasa. Ganun. So, laging kailangan may extra sa bahay. Tapos ka ulit, bigyan mo ulit siya ng pencil.
Ay, o, huwag mo na lang padala lang.
Eh, paano pag nawala tapos wala siyang
Hindi,
extra?
dalawa.
Diba?
Dalawa siguro. Ano? Ilang piraso ba yung tayo?
4.
Ay, dalawa muna.
Tsaka minsan kasi nang gusto niya magpahiram.
Ay, sa bagay. Kasi nga pala yung pamangkin ko.
Kasi di ba si Lily sobrang bait? Minsan na, yung bilang lang yung dala niyang gamit sa school na kailangan nila. Bawa, kailangan nila ng paper clip, 20 pieces. So, dali niya 20 pieces or 25. Tapos, pag may classmate siyang, wala akong paper clip eh. Bibigyan niya yung 20 pieces, sa kanya yung 5. Oo. Sobrang, friendly. Or, yung sabi niya, hindi, mami, yung classmate ko kasi yung kumuha. Hindi na siya nakakibo. Para sa kanya, okay. Ganun lang. Diba? Bait niyang batang yan eh. Tapos ako tuloy na nanay niya. Ako pa yung, anak, wag. Ganun pa ako sa kanya.
But mommy,
But why? What's wrong with that? Paano ka ako matututo ng paano mo magagawa yung activity kung kulang yung dala mo? It's fine. It's fine. Mat yan na. Diba? Grade 2 na siya.
bakit ang bilis?
Ay! B. B.
Ay,
Ako gagamit. Binili ko pala tong pencil. Ano yun? Markers para sa
ay,
akin.
akala ko din. Crayola.
Hindi. May Crayola na siya.
Barbie.
Buti ganito, may ganito na, no? Hindi
Yeah.
na balutin. Hindi tulog.
Yung sa akin,
Ulo ko.
tape.
Oh, yung notebook nila may balot na. Dapat sinabay na pati libro. Pati libro wala. Ang tagal ko talaga gumawa. Ano na to? 13 minutes na yung record ko. Nasusulatan ko pa ng isang notebook at saka isang papel. Isang pad ng paper. Tagal ko talaga.
Natapos na ako sa pagkuskus.
Kaya nga.